These guys have sound effects. Yeah. See, that's how they row, with the noise. That makes sense. Every time you hear the drum, bong, row, bong.
What are you trying to do? What are you trying to do? What I see. A dragon bird.
This is in Cabo, Michael.
They're not very in sync. Come on, everybody, get it together. Row at the same time. Bong.
Did she have her iPod in?
And where are they going to? They're all getting lined up back there. Oh, are they racing? Are these two racing right here? I think they are.
Green dragon and the red
I
dragon.
think they're racing.
Charlie, watch. Yeah, let's get the red one.
Woo! Oh, that red boat's doing good. See that red boat? That's the one that's winning right now. That's the one that looks like a dragon. It's painted and it's got cool stuff. Woo! Look at them go! Everybody cheer! Yay! Better go find Tiffany. Woo! Look out! There's my pretty feet walking in the water. Where's Tiffany? There she is. Hi, Tiffany. Here I come. They're coming, Tiffany. Here we go. There they go. Woo! Oh, the red team and the blue team, and I think the red team is winning. How about the blue team's catching them? Woo! It's gonna be close.